Today's production must respond faster than ever to changing demands, shifting conditions, and unexpected disruptions. At RICAIP, we explore how manufacturing can truly adapt compared to traditional planning that still relies on a single, ideal scenario. In reality, however, capacities change and resources are not always available.
Manufacturing as a service offers a different approach for more flexible and resilient production. RICAIP provides a unique infrastructure connecting Czech industrial testbeds in Prague and Brno with facilities in Saarbrücken and Kaiserslautern in Germany for developing and testing these scenarios. Instead of fixed plans, production is organized automatically in real time based on what is available.
Let's demonstrate this through the production of a modular product manufactured using multiple technologies across connected sites. The core of the production takes place in Prague.
Advanced technologies such as 3D printing, machining and automated assembly are used to manufacture and integrate key parts of the product. The execution of each operation is continuously coordinated by a central system.
At the center of this process, there is a manufacturing execution system, or MaaS. It defines the workflow, assigns operations to available resources, and synchronizes all steps in real time. By selecting a product variant, the entire production is configured and planned automatically using advanced methods such as graph neural networks.
The testbed in Saarbrücken demonstrates a multi-agent system for production execution, showing that not only individual machines, but also complex systems can be integrated using standardized interfaces with defined semantics. The testbed in Brno is one of the production sites. It manufactures specific components and enables remote process inspection using an autonomous mobile robot.
All components are brought together, showing how manufacturing as a service operates as a unified system. This is enabled by standardized interfaces based on OPC UA and MQTT, real-time data exchange, and the integration of existing machines into one coordinated environment.
Coordination is handled automatically using modern methods based on machine learning and AI.
What makes this system powerful is its flexibility. Operations are not fixed to specific machines or locations. They can be reassigned at any time based on capacity, availability, or changing requirements. If one resource becomes unavailable, the system can automatically find an alternative way to complete the task.
For companies, this means greater flexibility and faster response to changing conditions across the entire value chain. The manufacturing as a service concept has been demonstrated with T-Process platform and industrial MaaS deployed at many sites, making adoption in real environments straightforward.
From coordinated operations to a finished product, RICAIP transforms manufacturing from fixed planning to an integrated, flexible production, ready to adapt to current challenges.